everybody, my name is Rhys, one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green, and I am the other audiologist here. So we've got quite a compilation for you on this one. It's yeah, we've got 6 in this one altogether. 6 short ones.
Yeah, the most of them are short ones. Yeah, under about 3 minutes, I think they all are. So they're all short ones.
First one is
yours.
me. Is it mine? No,
it was you, Katie, me, you, Katie, me.
Ah, lovely. So you can see we've got this what looked like a really soft kind of plug of wax, but I think we've got a bit of a mixture of skin and wax in this one. We've got the standard size on the tube here, and I'm just trying to bunch it all up into the suction tube here just to try and peel it away from the ear canal. You can see that lighter material on the outer edge, which is that kind of stretchy skin that's kind of holding this in place. So as soon as that peels away now, that should loosen everything up.
There you go.
We should be good to go.
it almost kind of gets stuck on it, doesn't it? And it kind of attaches to it. It doesn't want to come away because that is really stretchy. Oh, nice.
Ooh, yeah, there you go.
That's
nice. Decent little plug there. It's left a little bit though.
That was a decent wax shot as well.
That was good, wasn't it? Yeah.
It was good. See,
I'm getting better.
He's there. He's almost there. Yeah. Look at that. I was professionally done now.
I've been doing this for years.
He's getting it, folks. He's getting it.
So we can see the eardrum nice and clear. We're just going to pop a fine end on, I believe now, just to try and clear up some of those last little tiny bits on the side.
There it is.
Patient's hearing so much better already. Yeah, there you go.
That peeled away really nicely, actually. I didn't think it was going to peel away that nicely.
Yeah, I was kind of expecting that to go the rest of the way down the ear canal, but no, it's come away quite nicely, and yeah, eardrums looking nice and healthy.
Right, I'm determined to do the measurements today because I missed it out loads of times. Just under 3/4 of an inch.
We got just over 1.5 centimeters.
So this is Katie's patient. No, I haven't seen this one yet. So what have we got in? Oh, we got.
Oh, it looks very similar actually.
Yeah. That floppy skin just at the top there, and then that piece of wax underneath. We're back to a circle again now as well.
Oh yeah, we are. Yeah, of course. Yeah, because the last few videos was cut off, wasn't it?
Yeah, mine do it all the time because I tend to alter my grip all the time on the endoscope, and every time you alter the grip, really, you should go back in and recenter the endoscope. A lot of the time I forget, and I'm already kind of most of the way in then.
Halfway through.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't see half the screen.
So if it gets really bad, I think, oh right, okay. I tend to focus on what I'm seeing. I don't tend to look at the outer ring at all.
Yeah, I'm the same.
Yeah, I'm really kind of more focused on what I'm actually doing.
That's coming away okay though, to be fair.
Yeah, you never can tell with these, can you?
No. Is it going to draw everything else forwards or the deeper bits at the back?
That's the question there. It's whether you get, you really want to get that good grip and it all just peel down.
Oh, that's nice.
That's a good chunk. Oh, still more in there though.
Yeah.
Oh, still quite a bit in there actually.
Dark.
All got held. Oh, but look how loose that is though.
It's usually an indicator of really old wax. Yeah. If it's really dark, like sometimes we've seen it where it's almost black in colour.
Yeah.
Where it's just been there for years and years. It's like a piece of concrete. Oh, nice. That's
really
come out really nice.
Really, I think we're just doing a little bit of tidying up this section to the left hand side. That's more. It almost looks like oil stuck to the little hairs, doesn't it, rather than any sort of wax or anything.
That's good though.
Looking nice and healthy.
Nice and healthy.
Good, like reflex there as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, we're still tidying.
Oh, go, fair play. I didn't even see that a little bit there.
No, I didn't either, to be honest with you. Oh, there we go.
Nice.
Bit of hoovering up at the entrance to the canal there. I think mine is super short. I think mine's like 50 seconds long or something. Oh, the other. No, this one's mine now because the last one's Katie's. So
there's no ruler shot.
There's no ruler shot.
Yeah.
Because Katie, I think there's a few of Katie's that are coming up. There's no ruler shot on. But looking at this now, we can see this sort of skin layer. It looks relatively easy.
I was just going to say, it looks like one of those. Yeah, it looks like one of those ones you just get a grip and the whole thing just goes whoop, and just kind of, well, just
look at that.
Implodes.
Yeah,
that's the word.
That's the word. Yeah. Ooh. Just showing the patient there. Like, yeah, this is what came out. Flicking it around like a little ribbon in front of it. But yeah, come away really nice. There's a little bit at the bottom here, but just a nice one to do. Super satisfying those ones, isn't they?
Oh yeah.
Really come away.
I'd always ask now, and if the patient wants to see what comes out, because the amount of times I've kind of gone, oh look at this, and they've gone, oh no, don't show me that.
3/8 of an inch, 1 centimetre.
Oh, lovely. Good job you looked at that.
It's yours now.
Oh, back to mine again. Yeah, this was a patient who, as you can see, the eardrum is completely clear here.
Yeah.
Now this is a patient who has hearing aids with a different provider, but they don't do a service of wax removal there. So they attended an appointment and they were told that their ear was completely blocked up.
Yeah.
But the patient has been using some oil, so it might have shifted some of this like skin around. Quite a big gap there though for it to be.
It would have to have shifted a lot, wouldn't it?
Yeah. So anyway, patient came along and I said, oh look, I can see your eardrum. It's not blocked up, but you do have a bit of this like dry skin at the bottom of the ear canal. So they were happy enough for me to clear this up. Relatively straightforward. I wouldn't say dry, but it was like a harder, almost like a keratin.
Yeah.
Wasn't super soft, but got a little bit of an awkward kind of ear canal.
A little bit of resistance as well. You can see as you're pulling it, it's kind of almost sucking back into the ear, isn't it?
Yeah, and forceps now, is it? I think, do I use forceps? No?
I probably,
no?
Yeah, I probably would have done, but perhaps there's an angle there you're feeling, you could, perhaps you're starting to feel a little bit of give.
Yeah, I think because it was starting to unfold, I probably thought that's what was coming out rather than it like coming loose, but like I said, looking at the consistency, I'm probably going to use a set of forceps on this one.
Here we come. It's whether it's enough of a grip, isn't it, to get this edge.
They're tricky ones because they'd sometimes break little bits away, but then again, because of the angle of the ear canal, you're like in and out, trying to get the right angle.
Well,
you
that's
do this,
nice.
You do this, and then you're this way. And,
that's a nice peel. Look at that.
Look how long it was though. I caught me by surprise. That's what was holding
length, isn't it?
That's what was holding this in place, and it should be relatively clear now. Lovely.
Nice.
There you go. The eardrum. Oh, there's a little bit on the top. I know I go back in for this one. I remember this one. I don't think I get it on this attempt. I thought still a little bit high and off the top, and I thought, I'll just try and grab hold of this and see how loose it is.
Yeah, I think you just clip the back end out of the front closest to the camera then end.
Yeah, the eardrum looks, I don't know, it's intact, but it looks like there might be some, retraction to it.
It does have a slightly retracted look about it.
Yeah. There's no real kind of light reflex that like I can see kind of jumping out when we're looking there, and I kind of wish I never went in to get this little bit. No, it's always kind of works out.
Regretted going in to get that bit. Members, I've got a nice video coming up for you tomorrow, I want to say, I think it is, which is a lot of skin inside the ear canal. I think it was all skin. If I remember correctly, it's two very, very different skins into both ear canals. Yes. So it's one that was like super duper dry, and the other one was really floppy and wet. So really interesting one. See a massive difference between two lots of ear canals. So that's coming up for you guys tomorrow as well. And don't forget, guys, if you do enjoy the videos, you can always consider becoming members of the channel. So that way then you get to see even more videos like the one for tomorrow. So if you check out the link in the description, there should be a link. So check out the description, there'll be a link in there where you can become a member of the channel. And if you're not already subscribed...
I was just going to say, this is subscribers, is it?
The subscribers, yeah.
Okay, sorry, I thought you said members just now.
Oh no, I thought it was subscribers.
Sorry.
Yeah, and if you're not subscribed already, you can also consider becoming subscribers of the channel, and you get notifications every time we do a video.
Yeah, that's like, oh, look at that, yeah, 2.5, yeah, so it
1 inch.
Didn't look like much, but it was just kind of almost folded in half, I think, was probably the one. Oh, it's Katie's now, look at that one.
Dark, foreboding looking ear canal, that one, isn't it?
Absorbing the light.
It's like a black hole in there. Yeah, very dark wax. Very, very. Oh, well, I really didn't expect it to be that loose. I thought we were going to have a solid clay type wax in there. You
do normally find that, when it's like this, when it's, well, I just mentioned it, wax being almost black in colour.
Yeah.
We've got one. But they're usually hard, aren't they? The darker, like black type of wax, it's usually a hard consistency. But that's caught me by surprise, that one.
Yeah, me too. I really didn't think it was going to be that loose. It obviously patients been using oil because you could see the oil as soon as you went in. So that oil use has made a massive difference in this ear canal. Was that a really deep piece back there, or is that just the light not quite getting to the eardrum? Oh, that's deep.
There's a little tiny gap in the bottom though. It's like a little ring. Oh, look at that.
Can we rate it? Oh, that. Well, I would not have said, if you put for money on that, I would have said that was been an absolute beast to get out. Absolute beast.
Look at that little bit that's left though. We'll see how well Katie's come along now if she can get this out nicely.
Yeah.
Oh, she's doing fab, to be fair, Katie. She's doing
a cracking job of chain.
Yeah, top job. Oh.
Look at that hover, Taylor. Look at that. Oh, wow. Fair play. Kudos to Katie. That was good. That was good. I can't remember if this is Katie's now or this is mine. I think this is probably still Katie's.
I think it's Katie's because I think the light is a little bit more dim on Katie's.
She's got almost like a yellow, hasn't she? Her light is a very yellowy tinge.
I did again go back in to change it a little bit because I did use her camera to check. She wanted me to check over an ear canal. Yeah. And I'd seen it was quite. What's the word? Like yellow.
Yeah. But the temperature.
The temperature. I was going to say the who. Then is it?
Yeah.
Is that what
I think it's the same thing. I think.
This is
mine.
Yours.
Yeah. Nice. Nice. Well, it looks quite full. This one. So I get a grip. Like I feel there's a bit of resistance. I was really hoping this was going to be a skin ribbon. I really wanted that to be a skin ribbon, but not quite. I think it would have been. I think if that thin piece had just stayed attached to this back end, this would have been a lovely one to do. Oh, chunky.
Yeah. Chunky
piece, that one.
Again, satisfying though.
Yeah,
just nice
lovely when it all comes out in one big piece of that. It's absolutely fab. It's got like a little unicorn horn now as well. 5/8 of an inch. I'm going to go on that one.
I completely missed this, sorry. It shot off my screen too quickly, I'm sorry.
Well guys, thank you very much for watching our video today and listening to us talk about wax removal for the whole thing this time. I won't go into the subscriber things, I've already done that for you. So as always guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. Myself and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. We'll see you for the next video. Bye everybody.
Bye bye.